Hello, this is Frank Servo. We're going to give you a recap of weekly update. First market is silver. We'll have 5 markets in total. We're going to talk about support and resistance and how we buy over buy points, which are called support lines. And when the market's going up, we have the lower part of the chart represents our trend of predominant force, the consensus belief of strong buyers. And the upper portion of the chart represents the intermediate trend, and they'll both remain blue. The charts only take blue trades only, long trade positions only, when the bottom is blue. In the event the lower portion of the chart is brown, the predominant force is bearish, it'll take short trades only, because the top zone, the intermediate, will be brown. When going long, we buy above buy points, and the more buy points we buy above, the stronger the belief. This is our daily buy point. And as the market crosses below a red line, our resistance, it pauses because it's between a support and a resistance. Each of these boxes on all charts we're going to view represents an entry into the market. Now, as the market fails to make higher highs and higher lows, then it'll find weakness in the market and it'll fall below what we call a resistant line and sell points. Now, this is a weekly resistant line, so sellers are stepping up their selling pressure, and you see we're making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. When you see the white zone, it's a positive trend, not a change in direction of the trend. The bottom zone confirms the trend direction because it's brown when this is white. This is also a place where maybe traders are taking profits. Some of the players may have got in late. They're exiting from their position, taking a loss. Some might be lightening up on their position at that time. And then the other thing about the white zone, it's another low risk entry back into the trade because it's had time to wash out the weak players in the market. So then when you see the entry box, this is a new entry, a conditional entry that we have. Upon those conditions being met, you're back into the trade going short. You see a B for buy. It crosses a buy point. Another opportunity back into the trend. Then the market changes. We have an uptrend, and that's this week. And you notice we're making higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows. So this means that the bulls are controlling the market. We're also above buy points. Here we're above a stronger buy point, which is a monthly. As the market fails to make a higher high, it falls back and closes, and it has a point where people start taking profits, but there's another opportunity with a B under it. So buyers stepped back up into the market and took the market back up. So that gives a cap on the market today. That was silver, and hopefully that gave you some insight. Okay, this is a chart of the Russell's 2000. You notice it's been bullish. We see the trend blue all the way over at the bottom. The top zone, intermediate trend, blue. We're above buy points. The green line is your daily buy point. These lines do not move. It takes enough buyers to participate, showing that price is strong enough to penetrate the buy point. When buyers find weakness in the market, enough buyers start slipping away, the sellers step in, take the market down below the red line, resistance. You see the sell, a sell here. That's not a change in trend, it's a pause in the direction of the trend. We see a white zone, a place for profit taking. Another opportunity back into the market. So look for our box to come back on. Once price penetrates this green line and red line, another opportunity back into the market. The blue boxes represent entry boxes. All right, now we're looking at crude oil, chart number 3. This also has been bullish. We see a box that represents our entry. Each of these are entries. Again, the bottom zone is blue. We see a white zone. This is where most people interpret this as a change in trend, but actually it's a pause in trend, and that's where most people lose their money. So we have the strongest trend at the bottom, and this is the predominant trend. We do see a test on a pullback going short into a negative zone. However, the bulls was able to step in and penetrate price above a buy point and a sell point. Once price trades above a green line and a red line, that's a transition point because the greatest percentage of buyers was in the market, so the buyers took out the sellers. The sellers is the red line, the buyers are the green line. So now we have stronger buyers in the market. Now as the market goes up, there's a resistance, it paused, and another box came on. Each box is an opportunity. But now the market closed today, Friday, and you see a sell. You see two S's. One S is for a weekly resistance, and the other S is a daily resistance. So we're below two resistance lines. We are above one support line, and we're above a monthly support line. So we're above a monthly support line, a weekly support line, below a monthly resistant line, and a daily resistant line. The market can, at this point, bounce back and forth until it finds enough buyers to penetrate a higher high and a higher low. All right, another market here we're going to talk about, number 4, Spdr S&P500. Again, all blue. Pretty simple, huh? You just buy. You find a white zone where the market pulls back. You put up conditional order to buy because you know this is all blue. That's your predominant force, consensus belief of players, the players that's got the money in the market. As you see the B, this is a buying opportunity. Actually, it went up and retraced back, but you're still in the market, depending on what your exit would be. And you see how simple this is. It's a color-coded directional system, very easy to understand and use. And we're above a monthly support, we're above a weekly support, and we're above a daily support. So we're buying above 3 strong buy points. Now here we slip back with an S, below a daily resistance, but we're above the daily support. That transition was made because the price penetrated a buy point and a sell point. So the greatest percentage in the market was buyers. Now again, price came down, but there's enough buyers in the market at the close to penetrate price above the resistant line. So strong buyers are still in the market. Good opportunity to make money. Okay, this is our last video. This is our 5 for Friday. We like to do every Friday. You want to tune into our YouTube channels, keep up to date with us with some of these changes. This is a QQQ Nasdaq Composite. You see again, it's blue. It's great to see all this blue. Money, money, money. We're above support lines. When you buy above support lines, these are buy points as well. Great opportunity. Each box is a conditional entry. Once that condition is met, it's an opportunity back into the market. You can stay in the market all the way up. The resistance will come over and go up and pull back and get you out of the market. So you have a transition point again. Stronger buyers penetrated the daily support, daily resistance. The greatest percentage outnumbered the sellers, so the buyers took control. So you can see the resistance came over, came up. What happened? Gap down. However, it did close on the high. But this is would have been your exit if you had an exit sitting there. This is a color-coded directional system with conditional entries and exits. You have the ability to change your entries and exits and all time periods. The color zones are to remain the same in all time periods, so monthly, weekly, daily, and all intraday time periods. You can superimpose the predominant force which is a macroscopic view of the market action onto a lower time period. So it's giving you a large view of the market activity with these buy points and sell points that we superimpose with the market data. And we can also do this all the way down to intraday charts. So you want to go to our website and check out some of the educational things that we offer. Hopefully you'll sign up. We offer a lot of tutorial videos. Our website is tradingkeysystem.com, and if you will, sign up to the YouTube channel. We'll look forward to seeing you, and we hope you have many happy trades. Thank you.